Hi guys, so today our family will be exploring Sanya Joy City Mall. So we will be using a map as our Google Maps and we will be taking buses. So let's get right into the video.
Parang Pilipinas lang sila guys, walang nakalagay na stoplights, magtatawid ka lang kung ready na lahat. Ang mga stoplight.
We will be waiting for bus 253, which is just around 1 to 2 yuan.
Daming tao doon. May KFC naman sa taas.
We did nothing here but eat in McDonald's and took pictures and went back home to get some lemonade. Just a little refreshing start to our 1 week trip here in Sanya. This lemonade is just 5 yuan by the way, and it's already so big.
Hello everyone! So today pupunta kami sa largest underground shopping center na pinuntahan nila Melon and Zoe. So we're going to Sanya Stylish Street. We're going to underground mall so that Brianna can spend her shopping because she don't like to go to Philippines without shopping.
Mommy will just exchange some money in the nearby China Bank. No joke, it's actually so hot here, guys. From here, take the bus to Chuangye Dasha. All buses cost around like 1 to 3 yuan.
Chuangye, Dasha.
Tapos maglalakad tayo. So, from yung stop natin kanina, magbibilang tayo ng 8 stops papuntang Chuangye Dasha. Tapos maglalakad tayo.
Tabi.
Dito?
Do you want to cross now?
Dito
Or
ba tayo dito?
tatawid lang?
Grabe ang init.
Tayo. Tawid tayo.
Alright, let's go down.
Parang mall na
Guys, welcome to the Chinese backrooms.
Shopping na tayo, guys. Guys, ang mura. Sobra. Mura. Mga 10, 15, 5, 6. Ito na halka.
Ano guys, ang dami kong binili. Pag nag-shopping kayo sa mall, wag muna kayong mag-shopping sa mall. Kasi dito, maraming mga mura lang. Like, trust me. This is my drink. No, I bought it for 10 yuan only. And this one is just 32 yuan with a fan. You can turn the fan on. Okay, next, shall we? Okay, this is my Play-Doh. I just use for making a cake or something. Or characters. This is my fan. You can open it or relax. I love to go to the relaxing street. The best. Ali's microphone. This is how to record. Hello, hello, hello. And this is how you play it.
Diba?
Then I say, 6.
Ayan guys, labas na tayo.
We're just taking a little snack break because after this, we're heading to Sanya First Market. We're now in Sanya First Market, but since it's a night market and it's not nighttime yet, we're going to wait in KFC because apparently the Wi-Fi there is very strong. As you can see, they're preparing for the night. They have some stalls open and they're just making their food and creating their displays.
Sa J Farm
Oh, wait.
Yung mga bag na ganito. Gusto ko yung mga bag. Ito yung kinain namin guys. Creamy balls. Pag may nakita kayo
Hey, can I get a juice there or?
creamy balls, di masyadong masarap.
Water muna ninyo. Mag-water muna tayo.
Huwag niyo
Mag-water
kunin
muna.
yung
Kasi ano, magkain na kayo.
Meron din tayo. Mas kita
No, 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 no.
feel bad. No, I feel bad. I can't really see.
na pupuntang Darunghay Beach. Three stops lang tayo from there. Then, ba ulit tayo dito.
Ilang days pa, mamamemorize na natin.
Hotpot. Hotpot, kaya magluluto. Oh, such a cute little puppy. Puppy.
Did he not understand?
We're going home. Mag-grocery pala muna kami. Mag-grocery pala kami.